In this one, I'm going to be replacing this LED headlight just for a standard halogen globe triangle headlight, and I know there's going to be people who will give me some flack for getting rid of an LED, but the reason for that is to achieve the chopper style which I'm going for on my Sportster 72. First thing to do is to disconnect the headlight. Next thing to do is to remove the Allen head bolt securing the mounting block on the headlight. So with this triangle headlight here, this mounting block isn't long enough to go through the hole in the triple trees there. So what we're going to have to do is just make another mounting block where it's similar to the stock one, where a bolt will go through and into the block. So I can't use the headlight block from the previous LED light as it's far too wide, and I can't cut it down either, so it's not going to work with this headlight. So what we have to do is just make a headlight block.
Thread. Oh, that.
Now to just paint the headlight mounting block in an aluminium colour so it matches the triple trees. Alrighty, so as you can see, both of the plugs to each headlight is different. So what I'm going to do is cut off this plug and wire it onto this one so it can plug straight into factory wiring. So with this, I'll be using the black to the white to the green, and then the blue to the yellow.